Following the job offers module, the next module is onboarding, where we can create, filter, and track onboarding programs. And it includes two submodules, onboarding list and create onboarding. The first submodule is the onboarding list, where we can see the total number of programs within the company, how many are active, how many programs are in draft status, and how many are archived. And below that, we can view the entire list of onboarding programs along with their program name, department, job level, duration, activities, the date that particular onboarding program was created, its status, and an action option. And at the top, we can use filters to select the status, department, and a from and to date range to search for a specific program even more easily. Next is the second submodule, Create Onboarding, where we can create any new onboarding process by filling in the program information, learning objectives, onboarding activities, and assigning employees. Following that is the next module, Events, where we can use the calendar to view upcoming events and past events within the company by selecting them. And we can also create a new event using the Create Event button at the top by filling the information, such as the branch name, event title, event host, event location, and the other details shown on the screen.